prayer song.
A market without a consumer will be a night sky without a star and moon. Protect their rights and save them the best for the great reputation and the fame. It is a very good morning to one and all and my dear friends. I am T. Denmuri from 2nd BSc Maths. It is my privilege and honor to talk some few words about World. It is my privilege and honor to talk some few words about World Consumer Rights Day. World Consumer Rights Day is celebrated on March 15 every year. It is a global event that aims to raise awareness about consumer rights and needs. Consumer rights means that every person who buys various products, goods and services and the right to information on the quality, purity and the standard of those products. Did you know that what have the right to file the complaint from the right of the anywhere, anytime a customer? Most of the people are not aware of their rights as a consumer. So by celebrating this day, we make aware of the right to demand protection and save from the fraudulent activities in the marketplace. World Consumer Day has been celebrated since 1983 and the date of the March 15 honors and the speech by the US President John Fitzgerald Kennedy to the US Congress on the March 15 in 1962. This day is grown in popularity and celebrated every day with the specific theme. Knowing our rights and consumer is crucial because we can only identify whether we are getting fooled or cheated if we know our consumer rights. Most importantly, we can raise our voices and legal actions against the product and service of the goods. Purchase those against the rights. A bill is nothing but is an expression of the customer loyalty and trust. The World Consumer Rights Day is important aspects of the following. And celebrated every day with the specific theme. Knowing our rights and consumer is crucial because we can only identify whether we are getting fooled or cheated if we know our consumer rights. Most importantly, we can raise our voices and legal actions against the product and service of the goods. Purchase those against the rights. A bill is nothing but is an expression of the customer loyalty and trust. The World Consumer Rights Day is important aspects of the following. The unfair trade practices and greedy companies exploit the consumers. World consumer rights is much needed to raise awareness. It gives us the tools to sharp and smart consumers. Every day in the world is a consumer, even people who own the companies buy from. So it is the kind of day every time to learn more about the rights of the consumers. If all the people in the world act together and raise awareness about the consumer rights, the world will change the better when it comes to consumer rights. According to this rights, it is a right to the consumers. It get knowledge of all the rights of the consumer rights. It's proclaimed the Government of India the right as the special provisions to elected consumers. Thank you.